Welcome to Chart Traders. Today we will see a trend line in technical analysis on a chart. Okay, so already we have discussed in last video that trend line can act as a support and resistance line also. Okay, so in this video we will see what is trend line, how to draw trend line. So trend lines are a level used in technical analysis that can be drawn along a trend to represent either support or resistance depending upon the direction of trend. So most important is in along with trend we have to draw a pattern. This trend line can help us to identify a potential area of buyer or seller where supply and demand are there. That will make or cause a market to move up or move down. Okay, so trend line need to have at least 2 points to be drawn like your support and resistance line. Simply connect these two swing highs or low in a price chart with a trend line and project a trend line in the future to identify the potential support and resistance on a chart. Okay, so like horizontal line we need only 2 points where we can connect swing high and swing low in order to draw a trend line. Okay, so directly we will move on a chart and we will try to identify a trend line along with her trend. Okay, so I have opened my Zerodha account. Okay, if you want to open a Zerodha account, just link is given below in the description. Click on this and open a account. Now consider this is your Reliance chart. Okay, so price in up movement then came down. Okay, so we can connect these 2 points. Okay, to draw a trend line. So this is your we have connect these 2 points. So price move up taking support, move up taking support, move up taking support, move up. Okay, so you can draw a trend line like this. We need only 2 points, first and two we have connect, and in future it is going to take support at trend line. Okay, try to make a trend line having an angle equal to 45. Okay, we can draw trend line like this also, but it is not a valid. Okay, so try to find a trend line with angle 45. If you see in past, okay, come back here. Okay, if you are going to delete this trend line, okay, first and second. Okay, so see first support, second support, then okay, first support, second support here, then broken again, go up, slightly come down. So now it is your new trend line. Okay, so we have to delete this. Okay, but try to consider the previous swing high and swing low. So assume your current candle forming on Reliance is this one. So this is your swing low because it is a bullish candle, and this is your previous swing low. So try to connect these 2 points. Okay, and it is form a support line. Okay, also if you are going to see here we have a multi resistance line, yes or no? Say high, too high, first and second. So now when it going to break this line, we are going to buy. Even you can buy here also taking a support. So when it is going to take support on a trend line, it will go up to previous highs. Previous highs this or this. Okay, so with the help of support and resistance line, horizontal as well as trend, you can identify a trend in a stock and you can make entry. Okay, so in this chart I will make entry when it is going to take support at this trend line. Okay, again we will see in other stock. Okay, see this is your one is high and this is high, so I am connecting these 2 points. Okay, so it is now creating a resistant line, that is a trend line but resistant. Price came here, fall back, came here, fall back. So now next onwards, when it going to come here, I am going to sell with a stop loss, that is candle high. Okay, so come back again. Now it is going to break a candle trend line, so I will buy here. So now this will act as a support line. Okay, clear? Okay, so most important is identify breakout on resistance line and trade line and try to enter at this point. For example, we have draw this trend line. Okay, so this breakout won't appear, come back, this breakout done, so I will buy here. Okay, same way in Reliance also. Okay, if it break, I will sell here. I will sell here, but it is taking support, so I will buy. Okay, so based on next day candle, I will trade. Okay, so next day gap of opening. Okay, so I will buy for that day. Okay, hope it's clear. We will see one more. If you like Bharti, I'll tell. Just check on a daily basis chart. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this happen. Okay, so came up. So at this point, okay, this is previous, this is low and previous low, try to connect, this is your trend line. So next time when it came here, it will take as a, it is act as a support. If it broke, now it will act as a resistance. So it broke and came down, again go up, but again came back and down. Okay, so you can identify different trend line. Okay, so there are three important points that we have to consider when we are going to draw a trend line. The higher time frame will always produce a most reliable trend lines. See, you can draw a trend line on 15-minute chart also, 1 hour chart also, but higher the time frame, higher the reliability of trend line. Okay, so high chances are there that price is going to take support and resistance at a trend line. So most trend line you come across will have some overlap from high and low, but we will going to touch more candle without cutting through the body of the candle. Okay, we are going to connect high of the candle. It might be possible one or two more candle, the body of the candle will touches, but we are trying to cover more candle with high value. Last is never try to force a trend line to fit if it doesn't fit the chart, because it's invalid. Okay, clear? So that's all about trend line. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.